In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Wells Fargo to Apple Pay. If you're looking to make your transactions more seamless and convenient, this guide will help you integrate your Wells Fargo account with your Apple Pay. First, we'll start by launching the Wells Fargo app on your device. Make sure your device is securely connected to the internet and open the app. Once you're inside, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. This ensures that you have access to all the features of your account. After successfully logging into the app, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Look towards the bottom of your screen and locate the menu option, which usually resembles a series of lines or dots. Tap on it to unveil a list of available options. From there, navigate to Card Settings. This option is your gateway to managing how your Wells Fargo cards interact with various digital services. Now tap on Digital Wallet. This section houses all the digital payment options available for your Wells Fargo cards. Next, within the digital wallet settings, look for the option labeled Apple Pay. If you have it listed there, tap on it. Once there, you should see a list of eligible Wells Fargo cards that can be added to Apple Pay. Browse through the list and identify the card you wish to use with Apple Pay. It might be your main debit card or another card you prefer. Once you've identified the correct card, direct your attention to the option next to it that says Add to Apple Wallet. By tapping this, you initiate the process of linking your card to Apple Pay. To complete the process, follow the on-screen verification steps that appear. Wells Fargo takes security seriously, and you may be required to confirm your identity, possibly through a text message verification code sent to your registered mobile number. If you receive a text message, enter the code accurately to proceed. Once you've completed all necessary steps, you'll receive a confirmation alerting you that your card has been successfully added to Apple Pay. This confirmation means you're all set to start using Apple Pay for your transactions. With your card now linked, you're ready to enjoy the convenience of tap-and-go payments directly from your Apple device. Whether it's your iPhone, Apple Watch, or iPad, you can now enjoy a smooth, secure, and swift payment experience. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Wells Fargo account to Apple Pay. Enjoy the ease and security of this digital payment solution in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and happy spending!